Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Verizon Communications VERIZON. Now there is a very interesting development which is happening in the long term chart, and it is very important, and the time is very correct right now to discuss about it. So actually I've covered this stock in the month of September, but if you are looking at this particular chart, so in the long term you will see that the stock is actually trading at its long term resistance. Okay, so the resistance which it has made in the year 1999 and the resistance which it has made in the year 2020 or 21. Now the level to discuss here will be, here we have the resistance as 62.59, or you can consider 63, and the support or the big support will come or you have your big support at $43 on the downside. Now it is not only about resistance which the stock has made at 62 or 63 here, okay, but if it is in the long term, then obviously what you need to understand here, that unless the stock successfully crossed above $63 and sustain above that, you cannot expect any big trend for the time being. Okay, and there may be corrections, because in 1999 the stock has actually started falling from $62 and it went down to $23. So the downtrend was pretty sharp and big, and right now you have your midway support at $43, which is also not near to 62. One more important thing, this is a monthly chart, but if you look at the weekly chart or daily chart, weekly chart will give you much better picture. It is something like this one. Okay, why this is important? It is something like this one. So as you can see here, these two levels on the upside, I think this is similar, 61.64, and here we have 62.31. so these two are a support level, resistance level, but you can say the stock has tried to make a breakout once, twice, three times, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, in the last 2 years the stock has tried to make a breakout 7 times and it was successful. It means either, there are two meanings for that: either the stock has entered into a consolidation, here we have the stock has entered into a consolidation for which the downside support will come at $52, 52.99 or $53, and the upside will be capped in between $61 and $62, or the stock probably ended its long-term trend on the upside. Okay, so there are different meanings for that. So for the time being we are considering 2 or 3 scenarios. First, unless the stock moves above $63 and sustain above that, you cannot expect any uptrend for the time being. Second, there are unsuccessful attempts beyond times, like 6 or 7 is like more than enough, but in the last 2 years the stock has never successfully done that, which means either it will hit to its next support. If it is a consolidation, then 52 or $53, and if it is a correction, then you will have your next support at $43. So be aware about these kind of facts, and since it is a long term trend, it will take time. Even the consolidation will take couple of months or years. Okay, so be mindful of that. So whatever you are doing, your positioning must be very right, and it is not only about you find a good stock and you have entered in a good stock, but it is also about when. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.